Hello everyone, today I am bringing you a digital voice recorder, the multifunctional professional recorder. It's a one key operation, timestamp. It's a HD stereo and it's used for MP3 or USB stick. So let's talk about what exactly this do. So this is a 64 large capacity. It's a mini voice recorder. It's a USB memory stick, MP3 player, and a keychain. So number one's recording method is one key recording and saving. Number two is playback, way record host playback with the earphone. Number three is a 64 large capacity store 750 hours of recording files. Number four is fully charged in 2 hours. 5V2A. You can record instantly for 25 to 30 hours and the playback for 20 hours. In the box you will find Type-C micro USB adapter, and they have a view delete file directly on Android phone. It's also automatic save data protection, detect the low battery power and save automatically. The timestamp is recording files are named according to the date and the time for easy search. So this is all what comes in the box here. You get the earphones, you get the occasion just in case that you want to hang it up. You get the USB, you get the charger. They have everything you need to record and you listen to music and stuff like that. So yeah, I really recommend this product. You just go ahead and buy it from Amazon. They are available, and there's two things I really like about this product, and that's why I recommend it. It's a long battery life and it's very easy to use. Hello everyone, today I am very excited to show you the thinnest recorder in the world. It's just 4mm. This recorder have a lot of benefits. The first benefits I want to talk about is the recording method. It's just one key recording and saving. The one I got here is a 64 large capacity. It stores 750 hours of recording files. It can be fully charged in only 2.5 hours, and it can record instantly for 50 hours, playback for 30 hours. With our included Type-C micro USB adapter, you can view, delete files directly on the phone. Automatically save and data protection. Detect the low battery power and save automatically. The timestamp, its recording file are named according to the date and the time for easy searching. And they also have the advancing chip, the latest X8 professional voice record chip in HD recording. The Playway host play with the earphone, and the support system, they can support Windows, Android or Mac. Now let's talk. This earphone is so nice and high quality. We also have the macro USB adapter, one for the USB-C and one for the other one. Next, we have the Type-C adapter, and we have the USB cable, wire control, remote control. Thank you so much for watching.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you my voice recorder that I purchased from Amazon from a brand called Vandlion. It has 64 gigabytes of memory. It's that small. It's rechargeable. Once it's fully charged, it can record up to 15 hours straight. And then you have to put to charge again and you continue recording. It supports 750 hours of recording on this small device over here. It can be used as an MP3 player and as a USB drive. You can turn it on and off right over here. Right now it's on. The voice recorder came with wired earbuds right over here. It also came with a remote control. It also came with a lightning charger. It's a Type-C lightning charger. So you connect right over here. You see? The battery lasts a long time because if no voice, no sound is detected, it stops recording. And as soon as voice or as a sound is detected, starts recording automatically again. So you don't need to worry about, oh, let me put it to record it. Let me turn it off. No. You just leave it to record it, and as soon as you speak any sound or voice, starts recording. The room stays silent, stops recording. Somebody talks, starts recording again. So it's really nice because you don't need it to be turning on and off, and also saves battery.